Hey guys, so today we're going to be installing coilovers on the Mustang GT. It is a 2000. We have Godspeed coilovers. They're pretty high quality. Got damping too. But we'll get them installed, see how she rides in. Let you know. So right now we got the car jacked up, or my dad got it all up while I was doing classwork, whatever. Took the tire out, but basically it's just three bolts, right? Right here, right here, right here. Tie that nut. Say what's up to the channel.
What's up?
With Pep Boys legend, right here, icon. For sale. Shock and springs taken off, and the rotor. Just we wanted to paint the caliper as well as the rotor. Sanded everything. Painted the front of the rotor, and then here's the stock shock and then spring. And then we're gonna keep it the same height, and then we're gonna adjust from there. See how low we go. Change our minds, cause turns out when you put this lower, you lose a thread. So I'm saying it's more safer if we keep all the thread on this bottom support of the strut. So probably gonna be dropped like 2 inches. So we'll see how it goes. She just wanted to say hi.
So this is my ugly brother, okay? Do not follow, do not subscribe, do not subscribe.
Not prescribed?
Subscribe. Do not subscribe, I meant. Do not subscribe or like this video. Repeat after me. Do not like or subscribe. I said it correct.
Well, we dropped the 2 more from stock, or from how they got it, from the spring.
Yeah.
2 inches lower.
No, 1.5 inches.
Inch and a half, yeah, inch and a half.
This should not take you no longer than 30 minutes per side.
Pretty friendly so far.
Very mechanic friendly.
About 2 fingers in. Get it in. Hey guys, what's up? I'm back at y'all with a review of the Godspeed coilovers on the Mustang. Today is not the same day. Unfortunately, I forgot to record when me and my dad went on a test drive. But as far as the coilovers, I mean, for $600, I mean, you can't really beat it. You know, of course, you're not gonna expect nothing like a BC Racing coilover or a Megan Racing coilover or Tians. But the quality, it was there. It was there. For the height, we had it about 1 inch, a wheel well space. You could fit like 2 fingers. compared to like what it comes stock, is just you just don't do that to a Mustang. I mean, it was like a whole fizz, like just it was terrible. But I mean, we had the damping on hard, cause even with an inch of space in the wheel well, underneath the car, the subframe was scraping as well as the pipes. When we hit like bumps, over here in Chicago, there's a lot of potholes and the streets are not really, car friendly, I guess. But I'd probably give the coilovers a 7 out of 10. It was pretty solid. The damping on the highway, or the car ride quality, it was alright. We were still kind of bumpy on the bumpy side, so we didn't really dial it in that well. We probably will eventually, but we'll do it as we go. But as far as this channel on Car Life Media, you expect a lot more content of cars and car vlogs and going out to meets over here in Chicago. There's like meets every weekend, like in different locations all over the place. Unfortunately, my partner Henry wasn't able to come and help us with the install because of the coronavirus and all that. So you'll be seeing him in other videos, and he'll be posting videos on this channel. He has a TL, I have an Accord, my dad has the Stang and the Eclipse. So we'll be doing like parts installs and modding the cars out, maybe getting new cars, who knows. But I mean, that's pretty much it for this video. Thank you. Like, subscribe, comment, all that. It'll be much appreciated. Thank you.